To help understand corporate health, credit analysts need to drill down into company numbers. Successful credit analysis involves going deep. But how do we connect the dots? That's why we created the Credit Analyst Diffusion Indices, or CANDIs. The CANDIs are a research tool used to open up channels of communication between credit analysts who specialize in bottom-up research and macro strategists who look at the corporate landscape from a top-down perspective. Here's how it works. Every quarter, our macro team surveys our credit analysts with the same set of questions for their industry. Responses are then quantified to reveal the outlook for the next 6 months. Take costs, for example. Every 3 months, we ask, where do you expect input and supply-side costs to trend? If the majority of analyst answers come in above 50 on the index, it signals that input costs will likely be an ongoing concern for most industries over the coming months. If they come in below 50, it suggests that concerns over input costs are receding, and that can inform our investors' views on inflation. Quarter over quarter, we can see how the outlook changes on these fundamental questions, which also cover profitability, leverage, credit outlook, the likelihood of crisis, pricing power, and more. The results offer insight on the direction of change rather than the absolute level. Notable changes could be an early sign of problems or opportunities for the taking, and the CANDIs could reveal them within specific industries, such as aerospace, energy and technology, as well as across the broader market. The tool also helps us to be less reactive and more proactive. So instead of scrambling to update our views during a crisis, like so many investors did during the commodity price collapse of 2015, we can pick up on shifts in industries or sectors before crisis strikes. The CANDIs amplify our view of the market. They help us to detect outliers and trends just as they are emerging. All of this could help us to reduce blind spots and invest with confidence.